Alright, dear students of mine, I'm going to show you really quickly how to make an MLA template for a lot of the papers we're going to be writing this year. MLA format is really important, like we've talked about in class. So I'm going to demonstrate in this video how to get your Word document in MLA format so that you can save a template and use it for all your papers, so you don't have to go and fix things every time you write a paper. So I'm in Word right now, and then what I'm going to do to start is hit Control A. So that selects everything on the page, which will make changes to the whole document. First thing I'm going to do is change the font up here to Times New Roman, and we need to be size 12. So I made that change, and I'm going to hit Control 2. That will make my spaces double spaced. But to make sure the spacing isn't weird when we do paragraphs, you're going to come here in paragraph. I'll show you how to do that one more time. Right here in paragraph, at the top of the Word document, there's an arrow here in the corner. You're going to click on to open it. And then on this very first page, come down to spacing. After it says 8 points, but we don't want that. We want 0 points after so that it's consistent throughout. And then we're also going to check this box. Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. While we're here in paragraph, come back up to the top of it, and we're going to click line and page breaks. And we want to uncheck widow and orphan control so that our lines go all the way down to the bottom of the margin. And then we're going to hit OK. That should save our changes. Great. Let's do the information we need at the top of the page. So first is your name. So I'm going to do an example with my name. Enter. And then you're going to do the class that you're writing for. So our class is English 10. And then you're going to put my name as your teacher. So just like that. And then you are going to put the date, but make sure the date is formatted with the day first, and then the month, and then the year. And you will abbreviate the month here if it's longer. For example, December, you would just write DEC instead of writing out the entire month. So for today, we'll just leave it like this. And then I'm going to enter again and hit Control E so that I'm in the center of my page, or go up to here by paragraph and hit this box so it's in the center, and then you're going to have your title there. Great, that looks good. So let's come up and fix our header. So I just double clicked up here at the top to activate my header. You can also come to design here, and there's the header option here. What we're actually going to use though is page number. That way each page will have its own number on it. So what we want at the top of the page, and my computer's loading. And then we're going to come to this third option where the number is in the top right corner. And then you're going to include your last name right there and the space. So your last name and then the correct page number will show up on every page. I'm going to highlight that and come back to home so that I can put that into Times New Roman, because that also needs to be in our Times New Roman font. And then size 12. Okay, looking good. One more thing we're going to take care of is your works cited page. So here we are. We'll pretend that obviously you'll start writing your papers. And what I'm going to do is come to Insert here at the top of the document. That's loading. What we're going to do is insert a page break. So right here on the left hand side of the page is page break. So what that does is it will put a break in between this page. So no matter how much you write here, this next page will stay the same. And this is going to be our works cited page. So I'm going to hit Control E again, or again you come to home and up here in paragraph center it. And we're going to write works cited. And that's all we need. So this is where you'll type in your works cited things that you need. You'll have to consult your MLA books or online to know how to format each work that you cite. But then what I would do is save that, so you can hit Control S to save it, or you can come to File and Save As. My computer's loading up, so just a moment. And then you're going to save this file as a template. You could call it MLA Template, so that next time you have a paper to write, all you have to do is put in the correct date, the title, and then insert your works cited when you need to. So save as. This PC. Loading. And I'm going to save this as MLA Templates. And you can see I already saved it. Okay, and then hit save. And that's it. If you have any questions, email me or let me know in class. I'd be happy to answer them. Good luck with your template.